In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 3 best drones that are currently available in the market. We have thoroughly analyzed and selected these watches to help you make an informed decision. For more amazing tech product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We are committed to presenting you with the best tech products that you can buy. We will also cover what drones are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options available. Number 3, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. DJI's latest flagship, the Mavic 3 Pro, stands out as the first consumer drone equipped with 3 cameras, providing an unprecedented level of versatility. While most pilots may not require this abundance of cameras, for aerial photographers or videographers seeking the utmost flexibility, our testing results strongly recommend the Mavic 3 Pro as the premium choice. In our review, the primary 24mm 4/3 camera, shared with the Mavic 3 Classic, emerged as the best in terms of image quality, adjustable aperture, formats, and frame rates. Additionally, both telephoto cameras deliver excellent images, and the ability to zoom in at 3x and 7x proves to be remarkably useful across various scenarios. Number 2, DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 marks a substantial improvement over the already capable Air 2S from the previous year, featuring dual cameras and enhanced wind resistance. Weighing in at 720 g, the Air 3 falls into Europe's C1 category, bringing additional regulatory restrictions compared to sub-250 g drones. However, the drone compensates for this with notable advantages, including an impressive 46-minute flight time. During testing, we observed class-leading image quality, consistent with DJI's reputation. While fixed apertures may pose challenges for users of ND filters, the inclusion of a 3x zoom lens proves valuable, allowing users to maintain a safe and legal distance from subjects, particularly advantageous for wildlife recording scenarios. Number 1, DJI Mini4 Pro. The DJI Mini4 Pro builds upon the already favored DJI Mini3 Pro, enhancing the overall experience with its lightweight construction and professional-grade features. While it doesn't introduce radical changes, it delivers an improved experience. For current owners of the Mini3 Pro, the upgrade might not be justified, but for those transitioning from a different model or entering the Mini series for the first time, it proves to be an excellent choice. The Mini4 Pro retains the small, foldable design of its predecessor, maintaining a regulation-friendly 249 g takeoff weight. The 1/1.3-inch sensor, known for delivering excellent image quality, remains unchanged, but processing updates have enhanced its performance in handling noise in low-light conditions. Notably, serious videographers will appreciate the addition of the new D-Log M color profile, providing greater consistency with the Mavic 3. The most recent and biggest hack. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and advice. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions for products you'd like us to review, please leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to remain updated, and see you in the next video. Foreign.